We're at the final resting place where we found Dee's body entombed in one of these anhydrous tanks.
It was a gruesome discovery for the family of Dee Warner, who spent years searching for her. The mother of 5 vanished in April of 2021. What followed were extensive searches of the sprawling property she lived on with her husband Dale. Acres combed through with no sign of Dee.
We've had 3.5 years of searching, right? And there's been every single thing, even though we've had anticipation at a number of times, they've all been a no-go.
Greg Hardy is Dee's brother. He suspected Dale Warner of having something to do with her disappearance. Dale told police his wife left on her own after they had an argument, but Dee didn't take her car and she didn't tell anyone in her family where she was going.
We worked as hard as we could to investigate and make the investigation work, and finding her body and laying her to rest validates the fact that we weren't just trying to incriminate someone. We knew this wasn't what Dee would have done.
The sealed fertilizer tank in which Dee's remains were found was in a barn on property owned by Dale, located about 4 miles from their home.
This was done to her viciously, so it's a validation of what we worked for so long is true. It's up to the court in the trial to find him whatever justice he deserves.
Dale Warner is charged with murder and tampering with evidence in his wife's death.
State of Michigan versus Dale Warner. Appearances, please. Can you state your name, sir?
Dale Warner.
Warner rejected a last-minute plea deal before the start of his trial. He maintains his innocence and claims that he had nothing to do with his wife's murder.